Hey guys, so today's video is going to be on how I make these amazing pumpkin cinnamon rolls. This is actually my second time filming this recipe because I accidentally deleted the original footage. You guys been supposed to see this video, but I made a mistake and deleted the footage from before, so I had to do this again. But nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Give it a thumbs up and make sure to follow me on my channel. That will really help me a lot. And also go check out the description for the measurements for this recipe, and also the original recipe link will be in the description as usual. But moving on to the recipe, the first thing you want to do is add your yeast to warm water. And I actually did not have enough yeast in this packet, so my dough did not rise all the way, which you guys will see in a little bit. But make sure you use the proper amount of yeast or it probably won't rise, but it will still taste good. It just won't be as soft and fluffy. Just a heads up for you guys. Then in a medium-sized bowl, you want to add your pumpkin puree, milk, sugar, melted butter, salt, egg, and your spices, and you just want to mix this until it's all combined. Now you just want to add 2 cups of flour to that mixture until combined. Once that's done, you want to add your yeast mixture from earlier and then your remaining flour that you have left over, and then mix this until it all comes together. And you're also going to need to use your hands for this, so make sure you wash them before you do this. Once you have your dough together, you want to knead it for 5 to 10 minutes and then add it to a greased bowl. Cover it with plastic wrap and a towel and set this in a warm place to rise for 45 minutes to an hour. I set mine into the microwave. Obviously it was off for 45 minutes, and then I came back and it was done. So you can just do that. Now moving on to the filling, you just want to add your sugars and your spices to a small bowl and whisk this together until combined, and we're going to use this later for the filling of the cinnamon rolls. Once you finish layering on your butter, you just want to add all of your cinnamon sugar, and then we're going to roll this up. Once you've set your cinnamon rolls into the pan, you want to cover with plastic wrap and a towel and set in a warm place to rise for 4 to 5 minutes, just like you did with the dough. And for the dough, actually, it has to rise for an hour and a half, or an hour to an hour and a half, not 45 minutes. I got the times mixed up, so sorry about that. Now moving on to the cream cheese frosting, you just want to add your softened cream cheese and butter into a medium-sized bowl and cream that until combined. Then you want to add your powdered sugar, vanilla extract, and your salt to this and mix until combined. And that is the finished frosting for this recipe. It's very simple and very easy. And if you want to loosen it up, like if it's too thick for you, you can add a couple tablespoons of milk. Make sure you take it one at a time so you don't over water the icing and it becomes too runny. Once your cinnamon rolls are done baking, just let them set aside for a little bit to cool before adding the cream cheese frosting, because you don't want it to just melt off. So once they've cooled slightly, then you can add your frosting however much or little as you like. It's up to you, and that is it for the finished recipe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and go follow me on my Instagram, which will be linked in the description, along with the original recipe link for this recipe and the measurements. If you want to try this out, I definitely highly recommend, especially if you like regular cinnamon rolls. Pumpkin cinnamon rolls, I feel like, are just another level. Even if you don't like pumpkin, these are delicious. I might like these a tiny bit more than regular cinnamon rolls, but I don't know. But anyway, I'll see you guys next week with my next video. Bye!